so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.8 thousand of you, and I would love to hit that in the next few months. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. But in today's video, we are going to be going through my February favourites. I can't believe that I'm already filming my February favourites. It's absolutely ridiculous. This year is flying by. 10 months till Christmas. Do you know what I mean? Like, oh my gosh, I can't even. But in today's video, we're going to be going through everything I have loved throughout February. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know what you've loved throughout the month. I would absolutely love to know. If you love any of the things I mention, let me know. We'll just have a chat in the comments. So without further ado, I'm going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So firstly, starting off with a series. Now, I am definitely late to the game with this one, but I have been obsessed with Euphoria. Oh my goodness. Firstly, Sydney Sweeney is my new female celebrity crush because she is amazing. She is absolutely stunning, and I wish I looked like Sydney Sweeney, but I don't, so it's really upsetting, but I wish I did. She's absolutely amazing. I love Euphoria so much. It's definitely an older person series. Like, definitely don't watch it if you are very young, because there's a lot of things like drugs and blah blah blah, so it's definitely more of a mature series to watch. But if you haven't watched it and it is something that you would like to watch, really honestly, watch it. Let me know your thoughts on it. Also, if you have seen it, let me know down below your thoughts on it. I just really like it and I am absolutely obsessed, and I have binged the entire thing in the past month, so yeah, obsessed with it. Next up, moving on to my perfume favourite of the month, and that has been the Molten Brown Jasmine and Sunrose fragrance. I am obsessed with this. Now, this perfume I got when I went to Glastonbury with Ryan. I got it from the Clarks Village, meaning it was highly discounted, so it was down from £89 to £12.50. Absolute bargain, and it smells so good. It's very fresh. It smells like a spa. It's got a very kind of spa expensive smell, but I absolutely love the smell of this, and I've been wearing it non-stop. Oh my goodness, I just sprayed that in my mouth, but it smells amazing, so I don't even mind. Next up, moving on to my Doc Marten favourite of the month. Now, these are a pair of Doc Martens which I bought this month. Now, I'm meant to be saving money, and these will be featured in an upcoming haul video, but I tried them on when I went to Bath a few weeks ago to get my hair done, and I just could not buy them. I fell in love with them. They are very much in style at the moment, and I instantly just like, I just needed them. I couldn't stop thinking about them, and they were £179, which is a lot of money. However, if you sign up to the Doc Marten website, you get a 10% off code, so you would save yourself nearly £18. I just could not. So these are you ready? The Audric Chelsea boots in black. I really hope that they don't bring any other colours of these out, because I will have to buy them, but oh my goodness, I love these. Firstly, I love the sole. So this is the new Doc Marten sole that's like the chunky bit. It's very, very light, so it's not going to be weighing you down. I think that is such a lovely boot. I also love the soft leather. They are so comfortable, so easy to style. I just really love these, and I put them on and I instantly just fell in love, and I've been wearing these at every possible moment that I can because I'm just in love with them. I've mainly been wearing these with kind of black skinny jeans, but I'm really excited to style them with dresses, with kind of like trousers, skirts and that kind of thing, but I really like them. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like these shoes? Do you hate these shoes? I'd love to know in the comments, but yeah, I'm obsessed with them. 10 out of 10. Just stunning beaut. Stunning beaut? Stunning boot. Love it. Next up, moving on to my crystal favourite of the month. Now, as you guys know, very much into crystals. Crystal obsessed. That's me. And I recently went shopping when I went to Bath to go get my hair done, and I spotted this in the window and I just fell in love with it. Now, I do have other crystals that are the same, but for some reason the shape of this and the size of this, I just fell in love, and that is this piece of amethyst. Now, I connect to amethyst very, very well. It is partly because I am an Aquarius, so I just love amethyst so much, but also just the shape of this. I liked the fact that it was very, very flat, so I could put other crystals on top. I love the colour. It is so beautiful. Just such a nice piece of amethyst. I just couldn't not. If this was like a plate, I would absolutely be obsessed. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it was about £28, but I am just in love with this piece of amethyst. It's so beautiful. I don't know whether you can kind of appreciate it as much on camera, but it's absolutely stunning and I love it. So that's one of my favourites. Love her so much. Next up, moving on to my book favourite of the month. I actually bought this fairly recently as well, and I got this from The Works, and me and my friend Steph both bought it, and it was £4 down from £12.99. Absolute bargain, and that is this Spells for Change book. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely something that I am looking into. It is very complex and very confusing, and I just love like the illustrations in this book. It's just so comforting to read, and I just find it really, really interesting. So it's something that I am slowly making my way into, and I do love just love the look of this book, like on a shelf, just stunning, just love it. So I picked this up, £4, couldn't not, and I have been absolutely obsessed with it this month, and I'm just trying to make my way through it and kind of understand it, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you want to look into this, go to The Works, £4, bargain of the month for sure. Next up, moving on to my fashion slash clothing favourite of the month, and that has been this jumper from Bershka. I am absolutely obsessed with this. Ryan got me this for Christmas, and I love it because it is cinched in at the bottom, if you guys can see, but I like to kind of pull that up so it's more of a cropped jumper, and I wear it with kind of high-waisted jeans and stuff, and it's got these really nice kind of bell-shaped sleeves. I just love this so much. It's so soft. I love the colour. It's this really beautiful, like, I don't really know, is it like a duck egg bottle blue colour? I don't even know how to describe it. It looks kind of lavender on camera, but it is more of a blue colour, and I really absolutely love it. So that has been my favourite of the month. I have been leaning very much towards this, and I have been obsessed with it. So yeah, definitely a fave for sure. Next up, moving on to my jewellery favourite of the month, and that has been this Labradorite pendant. Now, this is kind of cheating because it is kind of a crystal, but also a jewellery piece at the same time. I don't know whether you guys can see the flash on that, but it's absolutely stunning. I love Labradorite so much, and this has been my go-to favourite jewellery piece. I do have a lot of pendants, like crystal pendants that I wear, but this is the one I've been leaning more towards this past month. I really wanted a Labradorite pendant, so I found one a few months ago, and I'm just obsessed with it. So this has been my go-to. I can't remember how much this was. I think it was between 10 and £20, I think, because it was half price. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and I love the colour of this, like the blue flash. Stunning. And last but by no means least, I am going to be going into my LUSH faves. I have 2 to share with you this month, which isn't overly loads for me. However, I have used up quite a lot of my favourites, so these are the ones I'm currently using, and I'm currently, I can't talk today, currently obsessed with. The first one, the Gorgeous Moisturiser. I am slowly but surely running out of this tiny little sample size pot, and it's making me so upset, but I just love Gorgeous Moisturiser so much. Oh, it smells so good. It's such an expensive moisturiser. I think the full price one now is about £45, which is the same size as a face mask pot, which is like that. It's so expensive. But this moisturiser, I honestly cannot say that any other moisturiser has made my skin feel and look as good as this one. I really want to get a full size pot of it. I might have to just indulge one day and get it, but honestly, it just smells amazing. I just love Gorgeous Moisturiser. Honestly, it is the most beautiful moisturiser ever. And ingredients wise, it has got orange blossom, honey water, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, primrose oil, coconut oil, lemon juice, orange juice, wheat germ oil, grapeseed oil, pineapple juice, orange flower absolute, and neroli oil. It's just got all the most beautiful ingredients you could ever want on your face in a moisturiser. And if you want to treat yourself to something really expensive, get a sample first, but it's absolutely delish. And last but by no means least, we have the Curl Power Hair Cream. Now, ever since I had my hair done, which was only a few weeks ago, I have only used this once or twice, but I am absolutely still obsessed with this. Honestly, the Curl Power Hair Cream from LUSH is the best thing I've ever used for my natural hair. Unfortunately, the hair that I've got now is not my natural curls. I wish it was. My hair is a lot more curly, and it is very kind of unruly, and I have to kind of do a curly routine for a few washes before it becomes all curly and very nice again. The top pieces tend to be a bit more straight, which is really annoying, but this product works incredibly well. I know that my friend Kelsey tried this and she hates the smell. I love the smell. It smells like the avocado co-wash, which to me smells like Twister Isoles. I love it so much, and it's such a beautiful hair cream that I just absolutely love it. So if you haven't tried this, please give it a go. If you've got curly hair, it's amazing. So that is everything for my February favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would love, love, love to know down below what you've been loving throughout the past month. I feel like I haven't loved overly loads, but I've definitely loved a few new things, which is really exciting. So yeah, let me know down below what you love this month. I would love to know. And also let me know down below whether you still like these videos. I know that a lot of people don't do them anymore, but I would love to know if you guys like them. So yeah, let me know down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.